portray sa, kung kaya ko ba yung nag-acting ako nung wala pang dialogue, na magkapulang at saka kamay, at saka yung tungol ko yung
Ano naman natin, ano, sa trailer yung pain?
Yung dalawa.
Bakit?
Yung
Bakit
character.
kailangan mo ka ganyan? Bakit kayo kailangan mo maging ganyan lahat sa akin?
Ganun, alam ko nung ganun.
Ayaw na masyado.
Baklaan.
Grabe naman.
Pipi bakla. Nakakita na si Pipi bakla sa trailer.
Ngayon lang ako na-nervyos. Tapos iniisip ko ano yung makikita nila, na hindi nila magugustuhan. And habang pinapanood ko, parang naiintriga ako na sana magugustuhan, ano kaya yung isusulat tungkol dito. Pero nakikita ko kanina yung sarili ko, not me, but the character.
Yun naman talaga dapat, diba? As an actress. Just speaking of actress, at 60 years mo sa industry, talagang this is your most challenging dito, Oscar, ano?
So far, I can consider it yung more challenging. Kasi pwede mo kung gumanap ng PP talaga.
Happy
Walang dialogue.
Okay.
Puro actions na, at saka mata lang yung pinagalaw ni Buboy. Diba? I have to thank him pala si Buboy. I'm sorry, hindi
Real
na
time.
make it today. Diba? At saka si Gino. So, diba?
Kanina nga I was watching, sabi ko, ina-identify ko yung cast, si Gina, si Mina Castillo, si of course, si Julian Portage, ang una.
Gambaki.
Correct, nakakatuwa lang. Marami pa pong mga cast. Jet Alcantara is also here. Okay. So, pupuntahan na natin yung ano. When we started lasting inviting our friends from the media, syempre, hindi naman talaga siya familiar sa atin. But today, finally na-meet na natin siya. Miss Isabel, kwentuhan mo kami. Sino si Miss Isabel T.P.A.?
I am a mother of 4, happily married. My children are all in the United States. My husband is there. Aside from that, I am modeling for Mr. Oscar Peralta. Exclusive for Mr. Oscar Peralta. I do fashion news without any contract. Yeah. So, maliban dyan, what kept me busy? Because I started working at 16 years old. I raised my siblings, my mom. Not raised my mom, but I helped my mom. And I raised 4 kids. So 3 years ago, so I'm 51 right now, my husband told me, nung umalis na yung pangatlong anak sa bahay, to go to college, sabi niya, it's you time. Do whatever you think can make you happy and successful. Yung talagang gusto mo. Because I've seen you work all the time we were together and you started early. So parang ikaw naman, kung magtatrabaho ka, para naman sa sarili mo. So now I am semi-retired. I am still working as a part-time person. Pero I am Vice President of Silicon Publishing sa San Francisco, California. Pero semi-retired na lang. And yung ginagawa ko ngayon ay exclusively model for Mr. Oscar Peralta. And happy ako, masaya ako. And if given the chance na magkaroon pa ulit ng panibagong movie, happy pa rin ako. Kasi parang ito yata yung gusto ko that I never dreamed of. It never crossed my mind since I was young. Because growing up, I know I don't have it to be an actress. You know, the height, the look, with everything, parang hindi ako yan. But I look up to them. Lalo na si Paraluman is my favorite. So hindi ko inisip, pero masaya pala. Alam mo yung, I feel proud of myself. I feel beautiful. I went to a wedding last month. I was introduced by my aunt as artista na pamangkin. And then someone asked, saan? Pero yung saan niya yung parang malaking question mark. So ang sinagot ko sa kanya ay sa international tour.
Wow, di ba? Ganun naman talaga. Talagang pa international release
Parang
naman ang
Parang
pelikula.
naisip ko, kasi hindi pa ako kilala sa Pilipinas, magiging international ang La Viuda. Pero naisip ko lang yun to answer her question. She gave me that saan question. Naisip ko international. And then, later on, sabi ni Tito Ed, Isabel, natanggap yung movie natin sa Canada Film Festival. So sabi ko, ay, hindi ako nagsinungaling at hindi ako nanloko. International nga ang La Viuda.
Oh, di ba?
So, yun, that's who I am. And another thing is, growing up, I don't want to tell my story, but I come from a very poor family, and God has blessed me with things more than what I need for the basic. So sabi ko sa asawa ko, I want to do something that makes me happy. So I'm building up a foundation. Kasi naisip ko, I don't want to work in an office anymore. Sabi ko, I want to do something that could help people, pero nag-i-enjoy ako. So yeah, naisip namin when we put up in Bella Production with all the other people, yung share ko in this production, naisip ko, I think this is God's plan for me. That's why inayos niya ang buhay ko. That's why I'm blessed. Maybe gagamitin niya ako to help other people. So, the portion of what I will make will be donated solely to Ephesus Foundation. It's the home for abused girls.
Wow.
So, yun yung advocacy ng production and my advocacy.
Personal. So it has always been there, the acting in a film or in television. Kasi the fact na you were given the freedom na may go signal na ni Javi na parang it's your time to do something else na magpapasaya sa'yo. And you went on with this, you pushed through with this film production, and ikaw pa yung acting. So, andyan lang siya, Miss Stella, you think so? Isabel, sorry, what am I saying? This Isabel, so andyan lang yung acting talagang, ito na lang yung talagang, binigay mo na lang talaga na gagawin ko na yung gusto ko.
Ang nasa isip ko dito when I did this, parang maka-edit kasi, there was a time that I prayed because I was modeling for Mr. Oscar Peralta. My children are based in America. Ang asawa ko nandun. So parang, there was a time, I'm happy, I'm not saying I'm not, but what do you want me to do? Bakit mo ko pinauwi ng Pilipinas to spend more time with Mr. Tito Oscar instead of my husband? Bakit pumapayag siya? Ba't okay lang sa kanya? And lagi sinasabi ng asawa ko, whatever you do, I'm proud of you. So, I prayed. I asked for a sign. Parang, ano ba talaga ang gusto mong gawin mo? I want to help people. I want to have my own foundation. I want to work with Mr. Oscar Peralta. Pero parang may kulang yet or something. So, give me a sign. And then after, then I went back to the United States. Sabi ko, dito na lang muna ako. Then Mr. The Oscar Peralta, the Oscar. Yeah, so he called me. Tapos sabi niya, Isabel, pinangarap ko bang maging artista? Tapos sabi ko, hindi po. Tapos sabi niya, because meron akong nakausap, a very good friend of mine, si Tito Edital Film. Meron siyang gustong i-offer sa akin na magkasama tayo. At sabi niya, di ba pangarap natin, there was a time we talked na mag-artista kaya tayo because napanood ko yung movie niya with Fanny Serrano, Independent Film, Tanima. So nag-uusap
What was the movie?
Tanima.
Tanima.
Yeah, I watch it. I watch it. So, nung sinabi niya mag-artista, sabi niya kung makakauwi ka na, I went home. Kilala ko si Tito Ed, nakilala ko si Direk Buboy. At first, it didn't work out because may binigay na script, tapos parang hindi para sa akin. So, I thought wala na. But maybe, you know, the sign na nakita ko that maybe this is the path that God wants me to go is when the first script didn't work out, I said no. Parang iba na lang. Huwag na lang ako. Nag-produce kami. Pero yung script, it's not me. And then what happened is, biglang sinabi ni Direk, no, I'll make the script for you. Yung bagay sa personality mo, sa gumawa siya. Next meeting, nung nabasa ko yung script, nabasa din dito, Oscar, nag-agree kami. Eto tayong dalawa. This is really us. Tapos, gusto rin niya yung character. So, maybe I'm wrong or maybe tama ako. I feel like this is a sign from God. This is what He wants me to do. Kasi masaya ako. And I'm sure I can help a lot of people, especially the Ephesus Foundation.
Alright. Galing.
Nadinig po namin yung journey nyo nga kung bakit naging artista kayo, pinili nyo maging artista even at this time na accomplished na kayo. No? Pero yung pelikula po muna, like Love You Da translates to The Widow nga ba?
Video, yes.
Oo. Can you tell me kung bakit itong genre na to ang napili nyo? Considering na you could have chosen something more lightweight dahil nga you're just getting your toes wet in the industry, so to speak. And kay, yun po tanong ko sa inyo, and then kay Oscar naman, did you request na ganyan ka-challenging yung role nyo as to be worthy of a comeback?
May appeal ba agad sa'yo, Miss Isabel, yung script na gantong genre? Tinatanong ni George.
Suspense thriller.
When, kasi nung nag-meeting kami nila Tito Ed, wala kayong bagong script. Then I said no doon sa isang script. Ang sabi ko lang, parang ayoko nung nakakape. Parang ayoko yung ganong klaseng role. Growing up very poor, ay parang ayoko. Gusto ko kontrabida. Yung, ano, yung character. That's what I want. So, I didn't know what happened. After 1 week, binigay sa akin ni Tito Ed yung bag. Aside from that, kasi si Tito Oscar yung kasama, so we were just talking, ay, kailangan ano ka, maganda ang gamit mo, gagawaan kita, kailangan ganito, ganyan. So madami kami naisip na magiging character, pero ang ano namin talaga is parang somebody na yung masungit na parang gano'n na ang character is hindi naman nangaapit. I don't know how to explain it, pero yung gano'ng personality. But I think si Direk Buboy Tan is really talented. Pagbasa ko ng script ng Lagyuda, umalik agad ako, this is me. Isang tao parang kasi the character, I don't wanna tell the story, pero ang character ko dito is someone who fought back. It's parang gano'n ako sa tunay na buhay, but I'm not violent. And I don't fight with people, but I'm somebody na hindi ako papayag na parang apihin. So, nagustuhan ko yung character. So, when we were doing the shoot, parang nag-enjoy ako. And there's something about this movie na talaga very happy and proud ako. And of course, I got scared kasi first time ko, tapos yung character medyo tapos. But I enjoyed it. I tried to go with the flow. Tapos ang everyday na ano mo sinasabi ko is, bahala na. Yun yung like naisip everyday pag shooting, parang bahala na. But I would always pray na, Lord, kung ito yung gusto mo gawin mo to help more people, ituloy mo po para sa akin. Because just to mention, I have numbers of scholars that I help, and I have sick people that I help, but people doesn't know. That's
Sorry. Sound.
pero yung ganun ang ginagawa. But with hello?
Wala.
So, every year I add more scholars and every time may mga bagong nagkakasakit na kailangan tulungan. Sabi ko sa sarili ko at sa asawa ko, hindi ko kaya pag dumami. I have 16 scholars, I have 5 people that I help who are sick. Hindi ko kaya. So, lagi nila naiisip ko na pag naisip ko itong movie na to, I hope this is not the end so I can help more people. Pero hindi ako yung nasi-stress, nahihirapan, at nagbibilang ng perang lumalabas. Parang gusto ko yung masaya ko, money will come so I can help more people. So ito ang tingin ko sa Nabula. It's a character, and that's the character that I am. Without telling Direk Puboy, that's the character na pinortray niya sa akin.
Yung kay Oscar,
Tito Oscar, the question for you ni Tito Jojo. Ni Jojo.
talaga bang hinanap nyo ang ganitong role na may ganitong level of difficulty pagdating sa acting for a comeback? Ni-request nyo ba or dumating na lang?
No, binigyan ko na idea sa Google, ang gusto kong appeal. Ayoko.
Ikaw naman may gusto
One role
mong
na
appeal.
i-play kay kaya ako ng 1 million, 10 million. Being a fashion designer sa movie. That character I cannot portray it because I'm a fashion designer in real life. So I think na acting as a designer in the movie or television as a fashion designer, I cannot do it. Kasi ang pagkatao ko na yung ako artista, designer na ako. Pag-artista ako, ang role ko designer din. Parang I'm not acting anymore. Parang, tsaka napapura kasi pag, no offense sa mga movie producers, pag sinabing designer sa pelikula, excited hindi kami ganun. Yung acting nila Manny Castaneda, R.I.P., Leslie Guzmani, sorry. Siyempre, hindi naman kasalanan nila, style nila, acting nila. But the thing there is, if there's one role na gusto ko yung, ano kami sa parang appeal, parang hindi, parang ano. Pero si Isabel, porque designer ako, yung pagka-byuda niya, kasi mayaman naman siya, tsaka doktor siya. Nung nakuha siya ng Tony Gil Buste. So, natural lang na magkaroon siya ng mga fashionable clothes talaga. Things I really did, especially for her. So, yung pelikula, may konting passion na sumingit din. Kasi iba-iba rin yung...
Ilagay din naman yung ano.
Makikita yung as you notice, naka-off-shoulder siya, may pin. It's all my ideas. Kasi ito ko yung medyo, ano na po, Hollywoodish yung konting dating.
Pero yung pagiging pipe po. Pipe? Di ba pipe ang role? Ganun, pipe yung role.
Yeah, pipi.
Bakit mo pinili na mag-pipe? Kasi mas challenging yung kesa sa nakakasalita.
Hindi ko lang ma-portray sa kung kaya ko ba yung nag-acting ako nung wala pang dialogue na magkakulang at saka kamay at saka yung ungol ko yung
Ano naman natin ano, sa trailer yung pain?
Bakit?
Yung character.
Bakit kailangan mo ganyan? Bakit kayo kailangan maging ganyan lahat sa akin? Ganun. Ano ko nang ganun?
Ayaw na masyado.
Baklaan.
Grabe naman.
Pipil bakla. Nakakakita kasi pipil bakla sa pipil.
Ayun.
Thank you.
Pero dapat mahirap. Ayoko na mayaman.
Ah.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.